What I got a couple of days ago is this little hose that has the attachment for your vacuum cleaner, so you can clean out your dryer vent. I'm going to, I've already taken it apart and then I tried it and I actually liked it. And I think afterwards what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to use it kind of like an extender to vacuum out my AC vent and my AC whatchamacallit, I'm tired. But I'll show you how my old vacuum cleaner, it actually fit all the attachment. It was so cool. Okay, so how do you see it, right? Get all the dog hair in here. Hey, okay. There you go. Easy assembly.